Hey guys, today I'm making Nimki or Namak para. Start by adding your flour and baking powder into a bowl. Then add in the black cumin, also known as nigella seeds or kalonji. Add in some salt to taste and the softened butter. Mix the butter into the flour using a fork until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Then add in the water a little at a time till the mixture starts to look a bit shaggy. I'm making a very small quantity here, but you could always double or even triple the recipe for more people. Swap out the fork for your hand, then knead everything together well until it comes together into a firm ball of dough. Place the dough onto your work surface and roll it into a sausage shape. Divide the dough in half, then divide each half into about 7 pieces. Roll each piece of dough into a ball, place it onto a floured surface, and use a rolling pin to roll it out into a 2 mm thick round. Use a sharp knife to cut 1/2 centimeter sections across the middle of the dough, making sure not to go through the top or bottom. Turn it over and roll it into itself, then pinch the edges tight and trim off the excess. It's with this excess I was able to make 2 additional Nimki. When all the Nimki is rolled, heat about 1 to 1.5 centimeters of oil and place them in a few at a time. Use a fork to turn them back and forth, allowing them to fry on medium-low till they turn a deep golden brown color. Remove them from the oil and drain on some paper towels. Allow them to cool and they're ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!